Good morning children. Today we are going to discuss the lesson 2 more on Windows 10. Windows 10 is an operating system. What is the use of operating system? It acts as an interface between user and the computer. It enables communication between the application software and the hardware. So you already learned about the operating system in the previous classes like 4th standard, 3rd standard and also 5th standard. So now we can discuss the detailed manner about the Windows 10. Turn on a Windows 10 machine, the lock screen appears. Click anywhere and also any key on the keyboard for login screen to appear. Key is the password for desktop to become visible. Desktop is the main interface and default location for programs and documents. The Start menu is accessed by clicking the Windows logo, located in the bottom left corner of the Windows desktop screen. It is the primary location to find the programs, files and folders that are installed in the computer. It also has the power options to shut down or log off or restart the computer. Taskbar along the bottom of the screen displays icons for each running app. Search box is used to search for files and folders within the PC. Task view displays thumbnails of your running apps on clicking. Notification area, a part of the taskbar, displays various system icons having features such as networking, sound and power, as well as the notifications issued by Windows. Next, functions of an operating system. The main functions of an operating system are loading and execution. It loads programs and then executes them. Next, memory management. It manages memory within the computer. Device management. It controls all the peripheral devices like keyboard, mouse and so on attached to the computer with the help of the software called device drivers. Next, processor management. It manages and priorities tasks for the CPU when there are many tasks. File management, it manages disk space, files and folders. Security, it protects the data stored in the computer. An interesting feature you get to enjoy on Windows 10 is Continuum. It lets you switch between desktop and tablet mode on any device, whether you are on the laptop or mobile phone. Get the tablet mode. First you click on the action button. The icons on the desktop display on the tablet form. Whatever applications or files you want to open, you touch that, then automatically it will open. Again you want to come to the normal mode, again you click the action button. My laptop not support the touch screen. Next, control panel. The various features in the software of Windows operating system are controlled by a central controlling unit called the control panel. Using the various options and sliders, most of the Windows features can be changed. Let us look at a few of them here. Opening the control panel, there are several ways to open the control panel. Let us open it from the start icon. Click the start icon on the bottom left corner of the taskbar. Type control panel, select control panel in the results. It generally opens the category view by default. There are 8 categories ranging from system and security to ease of access. Click on the hyperlink given under the category you want to change. Changing date and time settings. There are 2 ways in which date and time can be adjusted. Once the date and time are fixed, you don't have to change it. Choose start, then open control panel, then date and click the date and time settings. It opens a window with the clock face. Click on the button change date and time. Click on the arrows to choose month and year. Click on the down or up arrows to change the time on the computer. Click OK to save changes. An alternative method would be given in your book. You go through it. Next, choosing mouse settings. In order to change the settings of your computer mouse, click the mouse in the control panel. Mouse properties will be opened. Buttons tab. Generally the mouse is suitable for a right-handed person. If you are left-handed, to interchange the functions of a right click and the left click button. Click on Buttons tab. Under button configuration, check the box to switch primary and secondary buttons. In the Buttons tab, you will also find an option to change the double click speed to open a file or a folder. A double click is used to launch an application. Under the double click speed, you will find a slider. Drag the slider to increase or decrease the speed. Double click on the folder icon to check if the speed you have chosen is what you want. Click OK for all the changes made in the mouse settings. That's all today's class. Remaining portions we will discuss in the next class. You watch the video and work out in your system. Thank you.